Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to exchange Savana products. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so go ahead and open up your Savana app or website as you normally do, and then from here make sure to sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, click on the Me on the bottom right hand corner of the page. Now from here, scroll down under Help Center, we need to click into Customer Service. Then once we're inside customer service, we want to scroll down and click on the returns button like so. And then from here, we have a few popular questions that's already been answered from Savana. But one in particular, we want to scroll down and look for the option, can I exchange the item I ordered? So click into that. So as it states, time of recording, they do not offer the option to exchange products right now, but they are working on it to make it available as soon as possible. So depending when you're watching this video, if it's in the future, they might enable returns on Savana products. If you want more clarification, I suggest reaching out to their customer support team as well and describing what you want to return and see if they can help you as well.